An AI-powered robot lawyer will represent a human in a U.S. court, marking a historic first. Another type of defense is about to be added to an accused person's trial: defense by an attorney, lawyer, or advocate. A bot's defense against an AI-powered opponent. Next month, the world's first robot lawyer will represent an alleged traffic rule violation in the United States, according to a report in the New York Post. It will listen to court arguments in real time with the help of the Do Not Pay program and will provide the defendant suggestions on how to respond via an earphone. According to a science and technology website called New Scientist, the defendant will only speak as instructed by the Do Not Pay AI. There has been no mention of the defendant's location or identity. The hearing for the speeding ticket will take place in person in a courtroom in the United States sometime in February. If the defendant loses the case, Do Not Pay will also pay the fine associated with the traffic ticket. The AI legal assistance training required a sizable amount of time as well as years of research and development work. According to Joshua Browder, founder and CEO of Do Not Pay, "We are trying to minimize our legal obligation, and it's bad if it genuinely distorts the truth and exhibits excessive manipulation." Instead of replying to each statement made in court, the AI will purportedly analyze the arguments presented there. What is Do Not Pay? Do Not Pay is a downloadable smartphone application that functions as a robot lawyer by using artificial intelligence to offer legal services. It has a $36 subscription fee for a 3-month subscription. Do Not Pay started off in 2015 as a simple chatbot designed to assist consumers in navigating legal and administrative red tape by mostly using conversation templates. Do Not Pay's concept was partially motivated by data from the American Bar Association, which asserts that up to 80% of low-income persons' legal needs go unfulfilled. Nearly $28 million has been raised for the business from venture capital firms focused on technology, including Andreessen Horowitz and Crew Capital. Right now, the judicial system is pay to play. We're just making sure that everyone is treated equally. Then, the court will determine whether to be harsh or whether they are guilty, or perhaps a jury if the case becomes more complex. However, everyone is entitled to a defense, said Browder. Although Browder wants to overhaul the legal system, court observers have expressed grave concerns about the morality and practicalities of replacing lawyers with robots. Do Not Pay's proposal may be in violation of state laws requiring lawyers to be licensed, according to Nicholas Soddy, a litigator for Pryor Cashman who provides perspective on integrating AI in business and law. Is it engaging in the unlicensed practice of law? Soddy provided fictitious instances of how the use of AI in a court of law might harm a defendant, such as the inability to interpret body language. Soddy told Politico that AI doesn't seem like it's ready to get on its feet in court. When asked if he thought real-world lawyers could feel uneasy about the possibility of AI handling their work, Browder responded, "I think a lot of lawyers are secure." According to Browder, "I'm friends with certain human rights lawyers and people doing really serious work defending critical issues, and I don't think they need to be concerned. But I believe that a large number of the billboard attorneys will be replaced. With AI, it is undoubtedly possible to file a $10,000 personal injury lawsuit after a car accident. If Do Not Pay's AI loses the case, the company has committed to pay any fines that may result." The business employs models from OpenAI, a startup developing cutting-edge AI tools like ChatGPT, in which the Wall Street Journal reports might soon draw investments valued at $29 billion, as well as GPT-J, an open-source AI model launched last year. Unfortunately, the AI lies a lot. To ensure that it doesn't, we've had to tell it to keep to the information provided and other similar commands when we prompt it. Due to the threats he has received since announcing his proposal, Browder chose not to disclose the client's name or the court where the hearing will take place next month. He added that his technology is in the letter of the law but not in the spirit of the law or the court regulations, saying, "We're too terrified to reveal it."